guys, I am Digidude.
And I'm Billiam. This is Bata Baby, and we are the Digi-Dudes.
Today we're to battle Wizardmons to see who's the best Wizardmon.
We'll do that in a minute. First of all, today is the start of our new Digidiary, our Blizzard Fang DIM. Here, so last week we did Volcanic Beats, which we know that I ended up having an evolution fail with my Tyrannomon. So then now we're going to start up the new DIM and get that one going. Before we get into that part exactly, let's do the rest of the squad update. So on my Wingardium Z here, I started that back up again. And now, Digidude, will you turn on the light for me?
Boom!
I've got Hawkmon again, because I love Hawkmon. What did you unlock on your Digivice?
My Nightmare Soldier Wizardmon!
Digidude just unlocked him a minute ago. Alright, so we do have some updates on what's going on with us lately. So, super big one. What did we do this morning?
A tournament!
We had a martial arts tournament today, and Digidude did awesome! You rocked it, bud.
Yeah.
And I want to thank everybody who gave us support on Instagram. I was posting while we were at the tournament there, and we had tons of people there cheering on Digidude. You took second place for your forms, and you took second place in sparring. And I am super proud of you. You did great.
For the last tournament of board breaking, I got first place.
Yes. And coming up in June, we have a huge tournament. So we're very excited about that, and we got to start training for that right away.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now let's do our Digi-Duel!
Now.
You want to do Wizardmon versus Wizardmon on the Digivice Complete, right?
Yep.
Okay. Right. Wizardmon looks so great on this device. Oh, your Wizardmon beat mine!
And looks like my Wizardmon is the champion of the Wizard Duel.
Your Wizardmon won the Wizard Duel. So then now, let's start the Vital Bracelet here. Let's switch on over. Go to my backups. Backup. Yep. Switch on over. Nope. Yep. We want to okay that switch. Switch complete. And now we have our nice icy background going. Here with a brand new baby. So there's not much to do when they're babies. And baby 1 and baby 2. Literally the only thing you could do is get vital values. But they don't do anything because you automatically digivolve always up to child level without needing any type of
care.
Any type of care or any type of anything. You just automatically digivolve up to child level. So right now there's nothing you really do. You can't battle or train them anyway. So that's going to be that. One thing though is that when you digivolve, normally your vital values go back to 0 and reset to 0. But when you're baby into baby 2, you keep them. And same thing from baby 2 into child level. You keep them. But once you start going up from child level to adult, it resets to 0 from any levels past that. Alright guys, so with that, we'll see you back tomorrow for day 2 of our brand new Digidiary adventure.
Yes, but I think Digidude is disappearing.
Oh my gosh, where'd he go, Bata Baby? He's gone.
Hey guys, we're back with day 2. As I kind of like did the touch of evil thing.
I know you like doing that. Okay, so we've had a ton happen in the last 24 hours here. So let's start with the biggest thing is that I ended up having to go to the hospital because of my injury from sparring. I bruised my inner chest cavity there, and I'm having a very difficult time breathing because this whole entire area internally is all bruised, and I'm having a really tough time moving my right arm because of it. It's put a little damper here on using the Vital Bracelet because my activity levels have dropped drastically because I am in a ton of pain because of it and having difficulty breathing. So right now I've got up to child level, as you guys saw there, all my nice little evolutions. I've got
Blizzard Fang
Bukamon here. I took a picture of it because it's a bit easier. I'll put that here for you guys to see. And there's not a whole lot happening at the moment. Let's just check out my trophies and everything I got going. So he's 1 day old, data type. His DP is 1, HP is 3, and AP is, what is that? 5. So his attack's pretty high. I know it's really hard here for you guys to see. I'm not even going to try. I've got 3 battles in at 66%. So I lost 1. And I've got 7 trophies. Some of them were all from the battle. Is one of my daily ones. And I had Digidude getting my trophies for me here. So with that, let's check out the rest of the squad and something I got in the mail today. So starting with my mail call, I got this super sweet DIM card holder. Here, I picked this up off of Etsy. And let's check that out. It comes in black, white, and this awesome blue color. I thought the blue looked really cute. So I got that. And then it just pops open from the bottom here. And the one I got holds 9 DIMs. And then you can put your cards on top. But I like to put the cards back in their packaging. I got them over there. And this is a nice, convenient little case. They fit right in. So let's go with now on my Nature Spirit. Let's flip on the light here. I've got Saber Leomon. So now I am at ultimate level. You're crazy. For my first ultimate level, I raised Saber Leomon here because of my buddy Mangala. That guy always has a Saber Leomon with him on his Nature Spirit, so I did that for you, bud. Now, on my Winged Guardians, we've had a lot of change. As you guys saw yesterday, I had Hawkmon. So, now, my Hawkmon overnight digivolved into Aquilamon. And then I maxed out Aquilamon's level, which is 6, because he's an adult level. And then I jogressed him with a Tailmon through the ACOM Wiki app and my Digivice helper to get Sophiamon. There's a nice video I took of his close-up there. So then he's got a super cool close-up. So then I immediately then jogressed my Sophiamon with a vaccine type to get Ancient Erismon here. And she is super cool. Let's check out her close-up. That is spot on.
What I think is spot on is Doublemon.
Oh, she gets 2 close-ups. That's even cooler.
Well, what I think is spot on is Doublemon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did that because Ancient Erismon can digivolve into a super ultimate level on this device. And I wanted to get this Digimon for Alex's Me versus You battle episode there. Because I wanted to get this special Digimon for that battle. So I'm going to keep that a secret for now. I've done a ton of grinding with her. And to get her max level, now I just have to take perfect care, and I'll be able to hit that super ultimate level Digimon
And
there.
To go with that super ultimate Digimon, I'm going with a different type of him, but I'm not telling you who it is.
We're going to leave that for a little secret there. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. I don't have anything else going on because, honestly, I need to start resting up there and get back into where I need to be, especially since I can't train for a long time now, and I'm quite upset about that.
Poor Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Doctors told me that this is going to be a long and painful recovery for this type of injury. Luckily, there is nothing broken or fractured, so I'm just happy about that.
So it's good. Nothing is broken.
Yep. All right, guys. We'll see you back with day 3, and hopefully then we will be at, well, we will definitely be at adult level then. All right. Bye.
Bye. Hi.
Hey guys, we are back with day 3 now.
It is so bright.
It is very bright out right now. You are right. We digivolved.
Two.
Got Hugamon here. Yep, it's kind of hard here. It's kind of hard to see him there. I'll have a picture up for you guys to see a bit better next to him there.
He's cool.
I just got out of the doctor's and I had to have my 4 and 5 rib heads put back into place. So there's not much going on with us right now.
So bright.
It's very bright. You are right. There's not much going on with us right now. You saw I mowed the lawn. That's pretty much all I did today.
And you saw my toy.
Yep, and we just digivolved. So that's about it for today, and we'll see you guys back again tomorrow.
Yep. Yeah.
That's funny.
Alright guys, we are back with day 4 now, and we are in the backyard because Digi-Dude is going to get me some trophies.
Yep. This little dude.
I'm supposed to be on bed rest, which if you guys come to know me or anything, it's just not going to happen. I don't stop. I don't take it easy. I'm trying to do my best right now with this so I heal up as fast as possible, but it's just not going to happen for me really. But I'm at least going to have Digi-Dude get my trophies for me because I can't do that myself right now. It just hurts too much. But before we get into that, let's do some updates with who we have. So I still have Hugamon here.
Hugamon?
Yep.
I like to call him Icy Ogremon.
Yeah, that's pretty cute because that's exactly what he is here, which he's super cool. He's a static type Digimon, so he's super active. He runs through vital values real quick. So I've been doing a ton of battles with him because that's pretty much what I can do. All right, so let's show off his stats. He's a virus type, 3 days old. His DP is 4, HP is 5, and AP is 4. I've got a 94 win rate right now with 16-17. 16 wins, 17 battles. 4 trophies because I got 1 trophy for battling as my daily mission here, and then 3 trophies because I did one of the app missions. And then over here on the Winged Guardians, I have Ancient Irismon, and I have Saber Leomon still on my 2 pendulums. So, let's get some trophies. So what'd you think of that, Debbie Dude?
Yeah, that was some workout.
Yup. Thank you for helping me get my trophies.
Yes, that was some workout.
And we'll see you guys back again tomorrow.
Hey guys, we're back with day 5.
Day 5 now. So we had a lot of changes, right?
Yeah.
So let's start with the least exciting. Still rocking Saber Leomon here. That hasn't changed because he's not going anywhere. He's not Digivolving any further here. But he still just is an awesome Digimon.
Actually...
But we got something super cool, right?
Yeah.
Ancient Irismon Digivolved into...
Luzmon Satan mode.
Luzmon Satan mode.
But Luzmon X is mine.
Yeah, you have a Luzmon X on your X device. So, let's check them out.
And you have to do the close-up.
Super cool. Yeah, let's do the close-up. It's one shake. There we go. That's cool. It shoots a giant fireball. And a couple little ones, too. I like it. It looks good. And you get 2 close-ups out of him.
Daddy? Most of the times he's like this. Most of the times he's like this.
He is like that. Because he's holding the ball. And what's inside the ball?
Luzmon Larva mode.
Which is
the true form of Satan mode.
Which is his true form. Yes. So now I'm going to put my Luzmon here into storage.
That's where my Luzmon X is there.
Yep.
That's where my Luzmon X is at.
I maxed out his level. And now I'm going to put him in storage. And just have him hang tight. And just run out my Saber Leomon. Keep him alive as long as I can. Because I want to keep my Luzmon now on the device. And basically just have him as like a super strong guy I can battle with and stuff. Because Digidude loves Luzmon. And it's one of his favorite Digimon. And I think he's a cool Digimon to have.
And that is why we buy the X2 for me.
Exactly. That's why you got the X2. We're waiting for the English version of the X1 to come out. It's supposed to come out soon. The black, I should say. The white has already been out on Amazon here in America. And I pre-ordered the special color one, which I'll have over there. And now we're waiting for the black version to come out. So then Digidude can have it. So then I'll have one of all of the X's. And Digidude will have the counterpart ones. There. So altogether we'll have all the X's then. Except for you don't have the X3 yet. But we'll get him one eventually. Yeah. It's just he wants that one because that one you could raise Luzmon Chaos mode on that one, right?
Yep.
Yep. So now let's check out our update with the Vital Bracelet here because that just updated.
Yeah, I want to...
Now I have Tapinmon, a ice cream machine that fights with popsicles, which is super crazy. So what actually happened, and it caught me by surprise, I thought my Hugomon was going to Digivolve on his own, and then out of nowhere, this happened. Yup, he jogressed with my Tyrannomon, which I was not surprised. I was very surprised, about that. I was not expecting that. Another cool thing, though, that is going on is that I just pre-ordered the Metarot DIM, which we'll have over here. If you guys don't know what Metarots are, or more commonly known here in the West as Metabots, it was a cartoon that came out in the late 90s, early 2000s, where they had a watch and they controlled the robots that battled with them. So, last year, Digimon and Metarot both did an April Fool's joke where they came up with a Metarot based on Omegamon called Omega Knight. And then Digimon came up with a Digimon based on the 2 main characters from Metarot, fused together like Omegamon, called Omedamon, which is over here. So they were both so popular. People thought they were real. It was a big thing on April Fools. They put them on the official sites and everything like that. Well, people fell in love with them. So on April Fool's Day, they released that they were going to bring them as an actual Digimon in a DIM. Me personally, I thought it was another joke. I didn't even realize it was real. Until shortly after, I realized this was real. It was happening. And now the DIMs are out for pre-orders. And I pre-ordered mine. So I'm very excited about this because I loved both franchises as a kid. But that's going to be it for today's portion. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. We'll get some battles in. We'll do some more, maybe some adventure quests. I am feeling a bit better. Again, supposed to be resting up. But we'll see how that actually happens.
Guys, I'm disappearing.
He's disappearing already. It's time to go. I'll see you guys back tomorrow. We are back with day 7, and as you guys saw, we Digivolved.
And you see the awesome.
And we're back at Spider Dude. All right, so we are out and about. We had some errands to run and everything. So Digi-Dude and I just took a minute to record because we just Digivolved, and I wanted to show off Frost Valgrimmon.
Yeah.
I've got Frost Valgrimmon, which is a icy peacock, and that's pretty cool. She's pretty beautiful. I'm assuming it's a girl. I don't know. And that's one thing I love about Digimon is the fact that we went from being a icy ogre to fusing with a Tyrannosaurus to turn into a penguin-shaped ice cream machine who fights with popsicles to then Digivolved into a icy peacock. I think that's just super awesome. That's one of the things I love about Digimon.
To me, it's kind of crazy evolution.
It is a crazy evolution. I like that we were able to do a crazy evolution like that. And that Frost Valgrimmon here is a new Digimon for this DIM. So I think that's also super cool that we got that on our first run.
So he's a type of Valgrimmon? Do you mean a type of Valgrimmon of the evolution of Duskmon?
Not spelt exactly the same, but from what I understand, the pronunciation is pretty much the same.
So it's supposed to be like based off of a Valgrimmon, but who turns super icy?
I don't think so, because they don't really look a lot alike. So we just Digivolved now. So I'm going to take some time and get my vital values up on them and we'll go and do some adventure missions soon. Right, bud?
Yep.
All right, so we'll be back with our next part with the adventure missions. Thwip, thwip!
Thwip! Thwip! Hey guys, it's I don't know, it has been a long time.
You're right about that. Many days have passed since the last part we recorded there. It's been raining and miserable all week here. We were hoping to get out and go for a walk to do the adventure missions, but we never got a chance to do that. So, let's just update you on, you started a Digimon during that time. Who do you have now?
I have Many Tyromon. I was trying to get Metal Phantomon, but I accidentally got some candlesticks, so I ended up getting Many Tyromon.
Yep. You want to show the close-up?
Yeah.
Yeah, show the close-up.
Oh.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yes, okay. Let's see if you will do it again. It did it again.
Oh, cool. You got 2 close-ups out of it. Nice.
The same with my Alolamon.
Yeah. So that's what's going on with Digi-Dude and the VPAT-wise besides our Vital Bracelet. So what I think we're going to do for the end here is that we are going to just max out my Vital values with some NFC battles. So we got a lot of good battles there. Frost Valgamon put in some real good work, right?
Yeah.
He won every battle. He is, or she, I'm not quite sure what this Digimon is, if it's a he or she, but they did win every battle. They are a ultimate level Digimon now with max vital value, so he's pretty strong at this point. I'm going to put the stats up right here. I think it has 19 for its DP, 16 for its attack, and 16 for its HP. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty strong Digimon. I'm going to end up putting them in the app there now that I've maxed the vital values and having a rest. And I think I'm going to go back to running the Volcanic Beat DIM. Because I only got up to Tyrannomon on that one. And you really want me to raise a Miramon, right?
Yeah.
And Death Miramon, right?
Yeah.
Or also known as Skull Miramon for the dub. So I think I'm going to go for that. Now that I've done blind run-throughs on both of them with the 2 different Digidiaries, I'm going to actually pick out what Digimon I want now. And I'm going to go for that evolution now. I think that'd be a cool one. I really like Miramon's sprite on this one. I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. All right. So with that, let's get to our giveaway.
Yeah. And the winner of the giveaway is you, Mr. Matt.
Mr. Matt, you are the winner of the grand challenge here. Digi-Dudes picked the Metal Empire DIM, not DIM, egg that you suggested. So, we did feel bad about other people who entered and didn't win. So we're going to do a runner-up prize too. So Clubmon, you win second place with the Digi-Egg of Sincerity. It wasn't a Digi-Egg, Digitama, I should say. But it was really cool and it was definitely doable for us. So we're going to go with the Metal Empire egg, which we're going to turn ours into. But we're still going to send you something. All right? We like the fact that we like that one a lot. Digi-Dudes thought it was really cool. It was with all like the ninja and plant themed Digimon, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to end up sending you something anyway. I'm going to comment on both of yours when this video posts to let you guys know that you won. And to let you know that Clubmon that you did win a second place. Because we didn't plan on doing that at all. We just thought about it because we felt bad that people entered and they didn't win. We wanted to give away more. So we'll do something for you. So once again, congratulations to you guys for winning. Overall, it's been a long time now since the video originally started. It's gone over a week of recording here. So I am feeling much better. I'm still not 100% yet. But that is going on. If you guys like these Digidiary videos, let me know down in the comments. And you guys let me know what I should do next for them. I would definitely want to do another Digidiary. But we have a bunch of VPETs we haven't run. I haven't run a DM in a while. I've been running pendulums lately. Always got the Vital Bracelet going, but if there's a DIM you guys think I should do for another VPET, for another Digidiary, let me know down below. So with that, as always, if you guys like this video, make sure you giga blast that like button.
And touch the video subscribe button down below if you want to see more from us.
Yep, we're super active on Instagram. I love chatting with you guys there. Make sure you follow us there and hit us up and say hi, any questions you might have. And as always, you guys have a Digitastic day.
Have a Digitastic day.